Welcome to the Control application. This is an application that's a calculator that's going to help the user understand how long they're supposed to spend on each task of an assignment. The typical user of this Control application is a student who doesn't know how to start an assignment or know how to go about completing that assignment. What you see here is a form. Once this form has been completed, this will tell the application which is the correct task list to retrieve from the database. So I'm going to begin by selecting report, and then I'm going to pick the deadline, and let's say the deadline is for tomorrow. Once I click submit, the form's going to disappear, and as you can see, the task list has appeared. But up here you see the type of assignment that I selected, the total hours between now and the deadline, so I know how long I'm supposed to take in total. And over here you see the description. Now the description is important because if this is the first time I've come across this assignment type, then it helps me understand what is really required or what I'm being tested on. So over here for a report, it typically consists of facts. So I understand now that I have to do some research and gather real solid data and then use that data to be analyzed. What you see here are your different task lists. So the first one is, for example, to identify a relevant strategy. So different assignment types will have different task lists. So this is the one that I've retrieved from the report. Once you hover, it just highlights the individual task. But as you can see, each one has hours delegated to it. So the first step I'm supposed to set 2 hours, the second 5, and the last one 2. Then at the bottom you can see the starting and the deadline. This just helps you understand how we worked out the hours, the duration. What I can do is I can click on the back button and this will take me back to the loading page. But if you are someone who's struggling to figure out how to use the application, you can click on the hamburger menu and click help. What this does is it begins the tutorials mode of the application, and as you can see, it tells you how to complete the form. If I keep clicking next, that shows you exactly how to do it. And once I click done, I can continue working on the app.